Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Honda Accord bumper. First, carefully examine the bumper to understand the extent of the damage. This method is best for minor dents, scuffs, or detached clips, not major cracks. Next, gather your supplies, including a heat gun, a clean microfiber cloth, and some plastic trim removal tools. Finally, ensure the bumper surface is completely clean and dry before you begin any work. This preparation is key for a successful repair. For minor dents, a heat gun can be your best friend. Set it to a low heat and gently warm the dented area for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Be careful not to overheat the plastic. Once warm, if you can reach behind the bumper, apply steady, outward pressure to pop the dent out. If not, a strong suction cup or even a household plunger can often pull the dent right back into place. This technique works wonders on many small indentations. Scratches and scuffs are common, but often easy to fix. Start by thoroughly cleaning the affected area with rubbing alcohol to ensure it's free of dirt and wax. For light scuffs, a good quality rubbing compound applied with a microfiber cloth can often buff them right out. For deeper scratches that have gone through the clear coat, you'll want to use touch-up paint that perfectly matches your Honda Accord's color. Apply it in thin layers for the best results. Sometimes, a bumper might just be loose due to detached clips. First, carefully inspect the bumper's edges to locate any clips or fasteners that have come undone. Gently realign the bumper with the mounting points on your car's frame. Then, apply firm, even pressure to the bumper, pushing it back into place until you hear or feel the clips engage securely. This simple step can often resolve a wobbly bumper, making it feel solid again in just a few moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.